In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious apple smoothie recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 apple sliced, 1 banana sliced, half a cup of apple juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 cup of ice. In a blender, we're going to add the bananas, apples, apple juice, and the honey and blend until smooth. Once blended, we're going to add in the ice and continue blending until it's smooth. We're going to pour our smoothie out into a glass. Our apple smoothie is complete and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.